Welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Programming Languages in 2025. If you're just starting your coding journey and wondering, which programming language should I learn first? This is the video you've been looking for. There are so many choices: Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, Go, Rust, and each one has its own purpose. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which language to start with, why it matters, and how to make the smartest choice for your goals. Let's begin with a simple truth. Choosing the right language is like choosing the right tool. You don't need the most powerful one, you need the one that helps you start building now and makes learning feel like progress, not pain. Let's break down the most important languages and where they shine, and then I'll show you why Python is the best starting point for most people in 2025. First up, JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. If you want to build websites, web apps, or anything that runs in a browser, JavaScript is essential. You'll use it for front-end design, making things interactive, and even back-end with tools like Node.js. It's a must-learn for web developers, but it's not always beginner-friendly. It has quirks, confusing behaviors, and can feel frustrating at first. Next, Java. Not to be confused with JavaScript. Java is used in large-scale enterprise applications, Android development, and software engineering jobs worldwide. It's powerful, structured, and in demand. But it's also very verbose. To print "Hello World," you need 5+ lines of code. That's a big barrier when you just want to get started. Then C++. C++ is the heavyweight. It powers video games, high-performance systems, operating systems, and more. If you want to work in game development or embedded systems, it's a solid path. But it's hard. Memory management, pointers, weird errors, not ideal for total beginners. C#? If you want to build games with Unity or Windows applications, C# is a great choice. It's beginner-friendlier than C++ and has solid support in the gaming and enterprise world. Go and Rust. These are newer systems languages. Go is designed for simplicity and performance, great for servers and back-end apps. Rust is blazing fast and safe, perfect for low-level work, but tough to learn. Amazing tools, but again, not where you want to begin. Now, keep in mind, we're only scratching the surface here. There are so many more languages with their own uses, like Swift for iOS, R for statistics, or even PHP for web backend. Each language serves a different need, and the right one for you depends on your personal goals and interests. Now let's talk about Python, the king of beginner-friendly languages. Why is Python the best first language in 2025? Because it's readable, it's simple, it lets you focus on the logic, not the rules. You can build things fast, and the range of what you can build is insane. Websites with Django and Flask, automation tools and bots, data analysis and dashboards, machine learning and AI with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. You can even use Python to generate code with AI, automate daily tasks, build Discord bots, Telegram bots, you name it. Here's the crazy part. Most modern AI tools and code copilots run on top of Python. The cutting-edge stuff, like ChatGPT integrations, AI assistants, self-writing code, Python is at the heart of it all. But here's the important part. You don't have to start with Python. The best language for you is the one that matches your interest. If you're passionate about web, start with JavaScript. If you love mobile apps, maybe go with Swift or Kotlin. If you want to build games, maybe C# is your path. Start with the language that helps you enter the field you love. That's how learning becomes exciting and sustainable. But if you're still unsure where to begin, and you just want to learn to build cool things fast, Python is your best bet. It's like learning English before writing a novel. It just makes everything else easier later. And the best part? We're building an entire course right here to take you from absolute beginner to confident Python developer. You won't just learn theory, you'll build real projects, automate real stuff, and understand what's happening at every step. So if you're wondering which language to start with, the answer is simple. Start with Python. Then explore others as you grow. Subscribe now and join me as we dive into your first Python program in the next video. This is the start of your real journey into code, and I promise it's going to be fun. Let's get started.